Nikki apologized to public.
Hi, Instagram family. I'm hopping on here really quick just to issue a public apology. I'll just get straight to it. I posted a reel this morning and it must have offended a lot of people. And my family and I are very embarrassed. And I want to admit when I'm wrong, and I'm sorry. And I just want to say thank you to Instagram for letting me know that what I did was wrong. And I clearly was in violation of their community guidelines and standards. And otherwise they wouldn't have shut the video down and told me that. So, if you want to watch it, I posted it this morning, and let me know what I did wrong so I can learn and be a better person. So thank you for your forgiveness. And again, I'm sorry.
Thank you for watching.